This one I better do me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me big man wait to what's it coming? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them right. I know people die for nothing. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depends. They get it right. I know people die for nothing. Make you do say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, they try to do Plenty survive with the face, just to make your money. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. What's it called? G-Wagon. All depends, they get it, ride the whip, I know people. Different things that happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port, I'm paddling. Cherishing a fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Because I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shot, now be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. What's it coming? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip, I know people die for nothing.
Cheers. Mexico is huge, and the peninsula has still up to today been like an isolated part of Mexico. Now you have tourists, those of you who maybe have been to other places in mainland Mexico before, and now here, you may also agree and say, yeah, the peninsula is really different.
I'm a ticking dynamite, I blow your candle light. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill, them no fit kill, them no fit kill my eyes are set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her, it's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there we don't stop. Everything was taken, you have to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.